Hi from sunny Felbridge today. Welcome to Equihunter, and we want to show you our latest Encore 45 model, which is our 4.5 tonne 2-stall horse box. This one finished in a colour called Audi Nardo Grey, which has been very popular over the past year. And this is also a 2015 registered Peugeot Boxer 435 with 82,000 miles. And I'll just show you some features, starting with the cab. You can see we've had the seats reupholstered in a diamond stitch pattern with our logo. On the flooring there you can see a rubber matting, keeps the thing clean. You can take it out and wash it independently. Here's your CCTV screen that is powered by two cameras, one for the horse area, one for the reversing. And the reversing is automatically selected when you go into reverse. We fitted a phone holder there, and you've also got a charge point here which will allow you to charge your phone while you're in motion. Here we go. So let's have a look around the other side for you. And you can see that as a standard feature now on all our horse boxes from this year, we're now putting fire extinguishers in the cab. And you can see there the plating certificate and the plate ready to go, already tested and rated at 4.5 tonnes. Here's your 2-stall horse area, and you can see it's not quite stallion, but it is open stall. And there you can see in situ is a swivelling head divider that will separate two playful animals in case they want to steal each other's hay. On each stall here you have two hook points for the bridle and for the hay net. And importantly, here's a large, strong, robust but lightweight aluminium breast bar, and you can see there's anti-loose fasteners here which allow quick release in case of emergencies on both sides. Single door to the living area. We put a single door in this one because it has a lot of features in the back and we needed the width, which wouldn't allow us to do a full stallion design with two doors. Up on the roof line there are LED lights with automatic blue night lighting when you turn the vehicle cab lights on. We just go into the loot and storage area. You can see there a ladder to give you access that hooks onto these points here, and there's an infill bed which I'll show you the fixed points in a while, but there's also a bed up here in this luton area which we fully lined, and a 4-inch mattress along with a little LED night light that will keep it lit for you when you're sleeping up there. And I can personally vouch for that comfort because I sleep in our version, our own Encore 45. Roof vent there. This is a fully insulated twin skim roof. There's the horse area camera. Let's just show you the ramp. I'll show it side on. You can see it is really, really thick, and it's made box section aluminium, faced on both sides, and really, really strong and robust. We travel with really large horses ourselves, 17.3 and 17.1, and this can take up to 18 hand-high horses. There you can see the window blends with the paint design, tinted, darkened and bonded. Here we look at the back of the horse box and you can see again a window in the back, and on the other side here is a Venetian blind because you'll be sleeping in this, and this keeps it nice and dark inside. The roof vent, which is open at the moment, also has a night screen, and pulled across at the moment is an anti-fly net. There's your single door which locks, bridle hooks, saddle poles, both sides. They're folded down at the moment, keep them out the way. This has a sink, a hob. Here we go. That pulls up, and there you go, running water. That switches here. And also you've got a 12-volt charging point, light switches here, and also controls the horse area independently. There you go. So let's just turn them out for the moment. There's also USB points here. Just shut that down. In this cupboard under the sink, the gas bottle situates. It's located at that point there in that little cradle. And there is another feature, a horse wash we have built into the side base of the vehicle, and that's the hose reel that will supply that for you. This vehicle has hookup. I'll just look under here. you can see a leisure battery and the electrical control unit, also a 240 volt outlet with USBs. You can see, if I just back out a little bit, the lovely wooden floor we put in this in a bluish grey washed wood effect. And if we look up into the wardrobe, here you can see there's a storage table stored away, which fits in this point here between the two seats, and there's a mirror on the door as well. And a hanging rail and a cupboard above, a shelf above, and here's a cupboard underneath the wardrobe. And this feature also has a 12 volt outlet for the supply of power to a coolbox. Here we go, let's just lock that up. You'll notice that all the locks, the latches on the door lock. There's some more storage under here, under this seat. There we go, you can see quite a bit of storage there. And you've also got shelves, this half shelf this side, and there's a full shelf on the other side. We just go around to the outside on the near side, and you can see the hookup point here, along with the water outlet, which is valve controlled, and also the water inlet that allows a tap or a watering can fill of a 65 litre tank. Here, this is an emergency access cupboard for the LPG gas. We're meant to travel with gas bottles turned off, and if God forbid you were ever stopped on the side of the road needing emergency help, they would go and check that is the case. So if I just pull away here, and you can see the beautiful paint design on this vehicle. Beautiful colour, Audi Nardo Grey, very popular at the moment. So this is for sale. It's currently priced at £38,000 inclusive of VAT. We're going to put an advert up on our website at Equihunter.com. Just look for the sales, items for sale feature at the top. Click that and you'll get through to this advert, which will list all the options and extras that are fitted to this vehicle and the vehicle description itself. If you need any more information directly, you're welcome to contact us by email at sales@equihunter.com, or even give us a call on 07 904 818 389. Thanks for looking, and I hope you've liked what you've seen. So from a sunny Felbridge and a small show, distanced, safe, going on at the moment, on a really lovely day. So lovely to be back out in the open again. Thank you guys. Speak to you, see you soon.